Hello dear friends, this is Bilal with Tech Pros. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about how can you transfer the chat you have done with your friends into someone else's phone. Like he can also read the chat that you have done with your friend very simply, very easy. This is a very simple process. What you have to do is just follow this process step by step and you can transfer the chat, you can export the chat to anyone you would like. And if you are new on this channel, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel, because every day we make videos like this. And also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future video. So let's do it practically how it is done, and meet you again. Hello dear friends, I'm back with a new video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how can you transport or export your WhatsApp chat that you have done with your friend into another phone's mobile. You can send it through a lot of channels. So this is a very easy, simple process, step-by-step process. What you got to do is just open your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp from here, the WhatsApp application, it's already open. And for example, there's a chat I have done with my friend, and I'm going to transport this chat to another person so that he can read it. What I got to do is just click on here, and you can see above these three dots. I'm going to click on these three dots in here, and I'm going to click on more. When I click on more, there is a window open again, and it's a export chat. So I'm going to click on export chat. I can export this chat that I have done with my friend with or without media. So I'm not gonna go for media in here. What I've got to do is just go for without media. And here I can send it through a lot of channels. I can send it on Facebook, I can send it on Bluetooth, I can send it on email, Gmail, and I'm going to send it on WhatsApp account. So I'm going to send this chat into a person called me. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to send this chat into myself, and it's sent. Now after clicking on this chat, that will be open, and I can see whatever I have done or whatever chat I have done with this friend. So this was all about that. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and share it with your friends, and don't not forget to click on the subscribe button. Also you can turn on the notifications so that you will not miss any video that we will do in the future. That will be notified into your phone, into your system very much easily. So thank you again, and we'll meet you again. See ya, take care, bye bye.